Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram page for business in laptop or PC. Let's begin. So once you open up Instagram within your browser, you're going to go to the left side, bottom left, and choose More. Then choose Settings. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and look for something which says For Professionals. Now under Professionals, you're going to pick Account Type and Tools. Now where it says Account Type, select Switch to Professional Account. So which best describes you? Are you a creator? Best for public figures, content producers, and so on. Or are you a business? I'm going to choose business. Then select next. Then it's going to give you some information that you need to know. Choose next. Then you have to choose your category. I'm going to say personal blog. And there's other categories that you can choose. Musician band, shopping and retail. It's your choice. Then select done. Then it's going to say switch to a professional account. Your profile and content on Instagram will be public. Anyone will be able to see your content in search engine results. So if you want to continue, you're going to select continue. Then you have to review your contact info. So you're going to enter in your email, phone number, street address, city, town, and zip code. So after you click save, your personal account will turn into a business account. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.